When recording audio in Studio One, it's important to keep in mind that if we are recording with higher bit depths like 24 and 32-bit, or we have songs with high track counts where we're doing multiple takes and comping, the audio files that are created can begin to eat away at hard drive space on your system. And this is something especially important to keep in mind if you're working on, say, a laptop that has a smaller hard drive or you're running out of space. We do have a feature that we can make use of within Studio One to help clean up some of the unused audio files within your song. Now, this is definitely something that you'll want to do after you are absolutely sure you are finished with your arrangement and you've done your mixing and you're absolutely sure you're not going to want to go back and tweak some things or make some adjustments to the arrangement. But when you're absolutely finished, what you can do is come to the browse, and then here to the right, we have the pull. And this is going to show all of the audio files that were recorded for your song, even though you may have removed them from the arrangement here. So here at the bottom, we have a guitar track. And if I click once to select that and press delete, we can see within the pull that is still here, that has not been removed from this song. If we were to come to the particular file, so on my desktop, this is the folder for the song, remove unused audio files. If I double click on the media file, you can see the guitar wave is still here. And that is because it is still contained within the pull. We could even bring that right back in. So if you've ever accidentally deleted an audio event and you're worried that you have lost it, just come to the pull. You can always hit Control Z, but you can also come to the pull and find any audio file that you've recorded. Now, if you would like to clean things up after you're absolutely sure you're finished with your arrangement, your song, you can right click within the pull tab and then choose to remove unused audio files. Now, I'm actually going to cancel out of here again, and I want to remove a couple more of these out. I'll just remove these bottom two as well. And let's right click again, remove unused audio files. Now you see we have a couple more here that can be removed because they're not in the arrangement. Now, if we click yes at this point, then they're going to be removed from the pull, but they'll still remain in your folder on your hard drive and taking up space. So you want to be sure that you select the delete files permanently. I'll click yes. We can see that some files have been removed from the pull. Now, if we come here, we can see that they've been removed from our hard drive as well. So this is just one tool that you can make use of to free up some hard drive space if you're working on a lot of songs with high track counts and higher bit depths. Okay, so we'll wrap up here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.